Hey yo, what's up guys, it's me MrGim here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting unboxing for you guys, but the unboxing video has already been corrupted, so I'm just going to skip that unboxing part. Anyway, the box itself is not as nice as it looks. It's just a normal carton box kind, so it's a product that I feel that most of people will need, especially during this pandemic period. A lot of people are staying at home working because right now we are using a lot of computer, and the product I'm going to share with you guys is this wooden wrist rest. Basically it's just a piece of wood, but what it does is that it's comfortable support, ideal for long hour on your keyboard. And if you look at it, it is a very aesthetic piece of wood, and I guess it can bring up a nice setup for your desktop. Bottom part there is this rubber padding. It helps to stay put on your tabletop. As you can see, I'm trying to move around and it doesn't slide off. And this size is about 11.8 inches by 3.5 inch and a depth of 0.8. So if you are looking for size, I have already converted for you. Also, if you are sitting in front of a computer a lot, I think this is a great product that you should at least invest it in yourself. Part of the reason is because, when you don't start to take care of yourself, you will not know anything happened to your hand. Once you injured, you're going to spend more money looking for doctor, fix your correct posture, etc, etc. So this is not very expensive. I just bought it at around 18 Sing dollar, which I bought it from Lazada. I think it's from China itself, and this is a walnut wrist rest. It also comes with a sandpaper, so you can use this sandpaper to smoothen out the piece of wood if you felt that this wood is quite rough. But when it came that time, everything is already quite smooth, so sanding it now actually felt more smoother. It's a very nice finish because I'm a person who loves wood a lot. This is one of the products that I think you guys can buy, or you can have those foam type. I don't like the foam type because when your hand will get sweaty and it will start eliminate all your sweat and eventually it will smell. And because I love wood, so I think this wood rest is nice for the whole entire aesthetic. That's why I went down to purchase. And if you look closely enough on the visual, my hand is actually resting very nicely with the keyboard that I'm using, which is the Fuco Cherry Blue Switch, which I'm using, and it rests really nicely there, so it's really perfect fit for my keyboard. Of course, if you are using flat profile, then this might not work. These are best for all those mechanical keyboards such as like K-Chrome, Logitech, Corsair, Fuco, Leopard, DAS. For people who play a lot on mechanical keyboard, will know all the premium brand. So right now I'm just going to share with you guys with some example when you have this wrist rest, when the keyboard is raised and it's not, and also a keyboard that stands alone without the wrist rest. This is a keyboard without boosting the stand, and as you can see, the posture is already hurting. So I can see over here, it's going to even hurt your arm more when you rise up your keyboard. So as you can see over here, the posture itself becomes much better once your wrist is actually rise up, and it's actually much more comfortable right now when I'm typing. Alright guys, I'm going to link one YouTuber which has talked about the ergonomic of your keyboard or mouse. I think he explained very well, so maybe you can check it out, his channel. And alright guys, that is it for my video. If you are interested in what I'm doing, make sure you slap a like button, subscribe to be my friend, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye.